Have you ever wondered what the future holds for us in the vastness of space? As we stand on the cusp of a new era, space colonization presents an exciting frontier. From the dusty red plains of Mars to the icy craters of the Moon, the limitless resources of asteroids to the boundless expanses of space stations, and even the tantalizing possibility of interstellar colonization, the cosmos brims with potential. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, let's explore what the future might hold. First up on our list is the colonization of Mars. This red, rocky sphere, spinning in the cold expanse of space, presents an intriguing prospect for human habitation. Mars, often called the Red Planet, has long been the subject of human curiosity and ambition, and for good reason. Despite the challenges that Mars presents, including a harsh and unforgiving environment and radiation levels far beyond what we're accustomed to on Earth, we're not deterred. In fact, these challenges are fueling our inventive spirit, pushing us to devise solutions that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. Imagine, if you will, terraforming, the process of transforming a planet's environment to make it habitable. Or consider the possibility of underground habitats, shielded from the deadly radiation by the very soil of Mars itself. These are the kind of solutions we're contemplating and working towards. And we're not just daydreaming. Real tangible steps are being taken towards this goal. Take SpaceX's Starship, for example. This ambitious project aims to transport humans to Mars and establish a self-sustaining colony, a feat that would redefine the limits of human achievement. The Red Planet, with its rocky terrain and thin atmosphere, may soon become a new home for humanity. Mars is more than just a destination. It's a new frontier, a testament to our curiosity, resilience, and ingenuity. We're not just reaching for the stars. We're planning to live among them. Next up is the Moon, our closest celestial neighbor. Familiar yet enigmatic, the Moon presents a unique opportunity for space colonization. Imagine lunar bases not just as science fiction, but as a tangible reality. These bases could serve as conduits for scientific research, revealing secrets about our universe that have long remained elusive. The Moon's proximity to Earth is a significant advantage. It's within our reach, making communication and transportation less challenging than other celestial bodies. Furthermore, the Moon holds abundant resources, like helium-3, a potential fuel for future nuclear fusion power plants. However, colonizing the Moon isn't without its hurdles. The extreme temperatures, fluctuating from blistering heat to freezing cold, pose a serious challenge. The lack of atmosphere also means no protection from solar radiation and micrometeorites. Despite these challenges, the Moon could serve as a launchpad for further space exploration, a stepping stone propelling us deeper into the cosmos. The Moon, once a distant dream, may soon become a reality for humanity. Moving further into space, we find ourselves amidst the asteroids. These rocky remnants left over from the formation of our solar system may hold the key to our future as a spacefaring civilization. You see, asteroids are packed with resources, precious metals, water, and even fuel. Imagine a day when we no longer deplete Earth's resources, but instead mine asteroids to fuel our growth. The idea isn't as fantastical as it sounds. Asteroid mining could be the next frontier for resource acquisition. It's like the California gold rush, but instead of staking claims in the Wild West, we'd be staking claims in the wild black yonder. But like any frontier, it comes with its share of challenges. The vast distances, for one. The nearest asteroid belt lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, millions of miles away. Then there's the need for advanced technology. We'd need spacecraft capable of long-duration space travel, robots for mining, and methods to transport the resources back to Earth. Yet, if we can overcome these challenges, the potential benefits are immense. Apart from the obvious economic growth, asteroid mining could pave the way for industrialization in space. Imagine factories in orbit, using raw materials mined from asteroids. This could reduce the environmental impact of industries on Earth, while also opening up new avenues for economic growth and technological development. These celestial bodies, once feared for their destructive potential, may soon become a source of prosperity for humanity. As we venture even further, we encounter the concept of space stations. Imagine a life not bound by gravity, where the Earth is simply a beautiful backdrop to your daily routine. But this life isn't without its challenges. Living in zero gravity can have profound effects on the human body, from muscle loss to bone density reduction. The isolation of space can also take a toll on mental health. But as with any challenge, solutions are being developed. Artificial gravity, generated by rotating sections of the space station, could potentially counteract the physical effects of living in space. And for the psychological aspect, ongoing support and perhaps even virtual reality could mitigate the feelings of isolation. Existing space stations, like the International Space Station, offer a glimpse into these possibilities. They serve as both a testament to our current achievements and a blueprint for future endeavors. These artificial habitats, once the stuff of science fiction, may soon become a reality for humanity. Finally, we arrive at the farthest future prospect: interstellar colonization. This is no small feat. We're talking about venturing beyond our solar system, journeying to other star systems that might be light years away. It's a concept that seems ripped straight from a science fiction novel. The challenges are monumental. Imagine the sheer distance we'd have to traverse. We're no longer speaking about millions of miles as we do when we discuss Mars, but trillions. Then, there's the unknown. What kinds of environments would we encounter? Could we adapt to live under alien suns? On planets with different gravitational pulls? Yet, for every challenge, there's a possible solution. Generation ships, massive vessels designed to sustain human life for centuries, could be our answer to the distance problem. We may also find shortcuts through the fabric of space-time itself, with phenomena like wormholes. These are theoretical now, but who knows what the future holds? And the benefits? They're as vast as the cosmos itself. The survival of our species in the face of earthly disasters might be ensured. We could discover new worlds, teeming with life or perfectly suited for human habitation. Interstellar colonization pushes the boundaries of our imagination and our potential. It's a testament to our unyielding spirit of exploration and discovery. The stars, once unreachable, may one day become our new homes.